This little dog sure look tasty. I just want to eat her on up. She better be careful before I swallow her little ass. She be running around here thinking she running this shit. Nah, bitch, this my house. I was here before you. I run this shit. I don't know who she thinks she is, but she better be careful, cause I will swallow her little ass. I always run around here talking about us big ass dogs. I be hearing her. Who she thinks she is? Little runt. Will swallow your ass like a Jolly Rancher. If you like the video, please subscribe.